everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 940 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this Milk Makeup Long Wear Gel Eyeliner to try out, and this is a product I got in my August 2020 BoxyCharm Premium box. So as always, I will have my unboxing video of that linked in the description down below if you want to see all of the other products I got in that box as well. But I have to say I was quite disappointed to get another black pencil eyeliner. I get way too many of those in my beauty subscription boxes, and they're just, to me, one of the most boring types of makeup products. I like eyeliner and I like different colors of eyeliner, but when I've already gotten dozens of black eyeliners, I think I'm ready for a change. Also, I was looking this up online and it comes in other beautiful shades. So I wish I had gotten the same product, but in different shades. This retails for $22 and I'm still gonna give this a fair review and everything, but I really do feel like when it comes to eyeliners, you do not have to spend a lot of money. So to me, $22 is expensive for a black eyeliner pencil. So I need this to really impress me if it's something that I would recommend spending $22 on. It is double-ended because it has this little smudger sponge on one end. Again, you could just use a separate makeup tool to smudge your eyeliner. You don't have to spend $22 to buy one that has it on it. But Milk Makeup is a great brand. It's one of those clean at Sephora brands. It's cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, fragrance-free, and it's also free from parabens, sulfates, and phthalates. And so it's the twist up type of pencil. I just start out by doing a little practice line on my hand. Ooh, it does have that really nice gel texture. Great pigment that just glides right on. So seems like a nice black eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and just try this out all over my eyes because I personally do like to use pencil eyeliners as my upper lash line liners as well as the lower lash line. I don't strictly use liquid eyeliners on the top. So I'll start out by lining the upper lash line. I do love the texture of this. It's so easy to draw on because of how it just glides on the eye. There's no pulling at all. And you get that full black color with just one swipe. So it pretty much looks like a liquid eyeliner. That's how pigmented and dark it is. Now I'm gonna go ahead and line my lower lashes, and then I'm gonna try and smudge that out a little bit. So flipping it around to the other end. Smudge that out. It's so pigmented that when I smudge it, it doesn't really diffuse. It kind of just makes it look like more of a thicker, solid line, which is interesting, not necessarily a bad thing. It's almost like you can use less product because a little goes a long way. Wow, that is some intense black eyeliner. But I do like the look of it. It kind of makes me feel nostalgic for when I used to wear black eyeliner all around my eyes. But gosh, if you like dark black eyeliner that is super easy to apply, this product does it. See how it is on the other eye. I'm always saying how bad I am at liquid eyeliner. And so this is kind of a good solution for me because I get the control of a pencil, but the look of black liquid eyeliner. I would definitely reach for this if I wanted to put black eyeliner on my upper lashes. I would reach for this rather than a liquid eyeliner because it's so easy and it looks so good. I do like the look of just having the liner on my upper lash line, I feel like that's enhancing to the eye. But for the fun of it, I am gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go in with less on my lower lash line this time to smoke that out and maybe get more of a diffused, smoked out lower lash line when I don't apply too much. Yeah, I feel like I barely applied any to the lower lash line, but then blending it like this, I get a full black line, but it does smoke out more, so I really like the effect of that. Yeah, I definitely prefer this lower lash eyeliner compared to this one, but I really think it's personal preference because some people would prefer this much. But I have to admit, it's a very beautiful eyeliner, so I really do like it. It's honestly one of the best black eyeliner pencils that I have tried. So I have to say, this did impress me. $22, I think it does seem like $22. Now let's see if it's smudge proof. Oh, no, there's a big smudge. It is pretty smudge proof though. Like, I don't know why the bottom's smudged so much, but the top is not smudging, which also kind of seems like a liquid eyeliner quality. So this is really cool. I would love to get this in one of the other colors. So if you have tried this in any of the other shades, let me know your thoughts on them. And if you have any favorite shades, let me know in the comments down below. So I am ending this video feeling very happy about this product, so I'm really glad about that. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.